showing some basic greetings and common phrases. As you know, the Philippines has more than 80 languages, um, or dialects. So Cebuano and Tagalog are commonly used because Tagalog is our national language, while Cebuano or Visayan language is spoken in the Visayas region, which is the middle part of the Philippines. There's Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. The Visayas and Mindanao both are actually using the Visayan or Cebuano language. And the Tagalog area is mostly in Manila or close by. So today I'm just sharing you both, okay? I apologize if my Tagalog will not be the same accent as native Tagalogs because I am from Cebu. Okay, so the first one is good morning. Good morning is maayong buntag, that is Cebuano, and then magandang umaga is Tagalog. Number two is good afternoon, maayong hapon. And that in Tagalog, it's magandang hapon. Magandang. That means good. Okay. Uh, maganda is also pretty, beautiful. But in this case, it's good. Good evening will be maayong gabi in Cebuano, and it's magandang gabi for Tagalog. Next is how are you? Kumusta ka is in Cebuano, and kamusta ka in Manila in Tagalog. It's like ¿cómo estás in Spanish? So you have to remember that the Spaniards were there in our country, Philippines, for 333 years. So they have this 3 centuries of influence. So a lot of our language, maybe around 80%, if around that neighborhood, has been replaced. So a lot of our language is composed of Spanish terms. So um, that is something that some people might not be aware of, but that is something good to share with others. Okay, so the next one is I'm fine. Maayo ako. Maayo ako in Cebuano, but it's mabuti ako in Tagalog. The next one is thank you is salamat. My husband always says slam it. It's salamat in Cebuano, and it's salamat in Tagalog, but usually they put a po, which is like a um, proper way or respectful way. So they say salamat po, magandang umaga po. Like that, they put that po, po on there. So the next one is you're welcome.